Here's two coming across the crossing at the same time.
Radisson, Bloomington, from
Bloomington,
one going
Minnesota.
to Mall of America Transit Station, one leaving. And that crossing that they're crossing is... I don't know the name of it, but if I can find it, I'll let you guys know.
There's the one coming into the mall.
Yep.
Oh,
And it actually goes underground.
Yes, it does go through underground.
And that one has more cars than I've ever seen on one.
Wow.
Maybe because it's rush hour.
Yep. Well, what time is it? About 6
It's
something?
getting near 7.
Well, rush hour's over, so I don't know.
Well, early hour, pip pip.
There goes that other one.
There's that one, then way across in the distance is the other one disappearing. Because it started moving.
I thought it like that.
And there goes the crossing that it is going up in just a minute. There goes.
And that's it.